李姐，谢谢你今天的帮忙啊。一姐，今天我头好痛，不能去了。叔叔你好，阿姨谢谢啊。Hello everyone， 大家好 ，Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we're going to talk about how to address people in Chinese. As you may know, 先生、小姐、女士 they are the basic way how we address people. But sometimes they could be too formal. So today I've prepared 5 ways to address people in spoken language. First one, 师傅. 师傅 is a proper address you can call taxi drivers or repairmen in mainland China. In this way, 师傅 not this 师傅. This 师傅 means master. Okay, for example, 师傅前面停一下. 师傅前面停一下. Or 师傅这个坏了 2. Blah blah 哥 or 姐. Well, China is a country that pays attention to elders. This address will help you to show your manner. For example, a name 张亮 we may call 张哥 or 亮哥. 李依依 we may call 李姐 or 依依姐。李姐，谢谢你今天的帮忙啊。依依姐，今天我头好痛，不能去了。3. 叔叔阿姨 uncle auntie. Well, you may use this address to call your friend's parents, for example, to show your respect. 叔叔你好，阿姨谢谢啊。4. 美女帅哥 beautiful lady handsome man. Well, you may use this address to call strangers. For example, 美女我问一下，帅哥能帮我看看这个怎么用吗？小哥哥小姐姐 little brother little sister. Well, personally, I like this address. But some people, they might feel weird. So, you can use this address for internet chat. 小哥哥你住在哪里呀？小姐姐今天晚上吃了什么？ They're definitely fine. Okay, that's everything what I want to share today. I hope they're helpful or inspired you. I'll see you very soon. Bye.